Passion is something which drives us like crazy. It helps us to get up in the morning and try for that success which we always wanted. So, but most of us are so confused on not knowing what is our real passion in life, and that is what I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you guys few of the questions which you can ask yourself to find out what is your passion, so that you can move in the right direction and fulfill your dreams following your passion. So let's tune into today's topic. Everybody is looking for answers in life, right? Everybody wants to know why are they here on this planet, what is their passion, what can they do better in their life to reach that level of success in life. But you can only reach that level of success in your life when you find your true passion and you have a purposeful plan around it. Everything begins when you find your passion. What is that one thing which you enjoy doing, which is that one thing or two things which you love doing, which you can go crazy for? And that is what exactly I'm going to help you today, to find your true passion in life with the help of questions. Because to get the right answers, we need to ask the right questions. Okay, I know everybody is looking for answers, but to get to that answer, the starting point of everything is to ask the right questions. And that is what I'm going to tell you guys today. 10 questions which you can ask to yourself to find out what you're truly passionate about and what can you do in your present career, business or life to fulfill your dreams following your passions. Okay, number 1, what activities and hobbies you love doing right now and as a kid, as growing up as a child. What are the things and activities you enjoyed in college, in school days, or what are the kind of hobbies or activities you enjoyed doing, you love doing? Because a passion can be only something which you love doing, right? You can't have a passion which you don't enjoy about. So it's very important to ask yourself, take a book and pen and write these questions down and ask yourself these questions. First thing is, what are the activities, like I said, hobbies which you enjoy doing? Make a list of all the hobbies or the things which you enjoy doing, and your passion will be something out of that. Okay, like me, I enjoy coaching, I love making videos, I love events and so many other things. I love writing, and that is why I'm an author. So I realize that these are the things I love, and that is what my passion is, and that is what I'm gonna follow. Number 2, what are your dreams and interests you have always wanted to chase in your life? Okay, as a kid also, we always had so many dreams within us, right? We wanted to be a pilot, an engineer, a doctor, and this and that and that. We used to never limit ourselves. But as we grew up, we started limiting ourselves, and because of our life circumstances or limited beliefs from our parents, from our society, from our teachers, we forgot our bigger dreams, and we just got into maybe a 9-to-5 job just for the sake of earning money. I know money is important, but you need to also ask that what are your dreams or interests you have always wanted to chase in your life. I know everybody has that one dream which they always wanted growing up. Maybe they wanted to be an actor or a singer or a dancer or a musician or a businessman or a coach or whatever that is. Ask yourself, what is that one big dream which you always wanted to achieve in your life? Okay, ask this question. This is question number 2. Number 3, what fulfills or makes you happy, which is very important, guys. Many people are not happy in their relationships or in their jobs, in their career, because they're not asking themselves these questions like, what is that thing which is making me happy? Is this making me happy? Is this making me fulfilled? Is it giving me an inner peace? Which is very important. You need to start asking these questions, because the more you ask questions, the more answers you'll get from within. Okay, it's very important. So ask yourself whether the kind of job you're doing, is it giving you a fulfillment or a happiness in your life? If it's not giving you a fulfillment or happiness, then that is not the right career. Even though you're doing that for the timing, for money, to earn some money at the end of the month, you need to stop doing that on a longer run and look for things which is giving you that fulfillment, inner peace and happiness in your life. Okay. Number 4, what work do you do that doesn't feel like work? Which is very important. Okay. Whenever you're following your passion, you don't feel like you're doing that work, because that is something which you always wanted to, that is something which you always enjoy in your life. So you need to ask that, what is the work that you do that doesn't feel like work? For me, if I'm into coaching, if I'm into event, it doesn't feel like work, because that's my passion, that's something I enjoy doing, it's like a part of me. it has become me. That's why I don't feel like it's work, and that is why I put all my effort into it. That's why I give my 100% into it. And you need to ask that what is that work when you're doing, you don't feel like it's work, you enjoy it the most. Okay, number 5, what activity makes you forget time, which is very important. Okay, whenever we enjoy doing things, maybe you're with the loved ones, you're spending time, you know how time passes and you'll never come to know, right? That is how the love you need to have towards the work you're doing. You need to find out what are the things which you enjoy doing in your life which makes you forget time. Okay, when I'm making videos, when I'm making content, when I'm making when I'm doing coaching with my clients, I just don't remember that time passing away. I feel so excited, doing these things. So you need to ask yourself, what are those few of the things which makes you forget time? Okay, and you're just completely involved into it. That is very important. Number 5, what subject would you read 500 books without getting bored? Okay, ask yourself, what is that one or two subjects which you would read like 500 books of that subject without getting bored even a bit? Okay, what is that one subject? Okay, that would be different for you, right? For me it's coaching, for me it's about life, for me it's about life growth, self-help. I love reading these books because I enjoy it, every bit of it. I never get bored learning more about self-help and growth and all this stuff, life hacks and all this stuff. So you need to ask yourself, what is that one subject which you will enjoy reading 500 books without even getting bored? This is one of the questions you can ask. Okay, number 7, what could you do for the 5 years without getting paid? Okay, imagine a job which you would do for the next 5 years without even getting paid. What would be that one job? Okay, you need to ask these questions so that you understand what is that you're truly passionate about. Don't think of money all the time. You need to see on the longer run, if you're doing something what you enjoy, you will earn like 100 million times more than what you're enjoying right now. Okay, so that's why it's very important to take the courage and take the leap of faith and follow your passion of whatever that is that you want to do always. So ask yourself, what could be that you do for 5 years without getting paid? When I first started the events company, and I was into all this coaching and stuff, I didn't earn much of a penny. I was just able to manage my weekly or monthly expenses, but I was very passionate about it. That is why I kept continuing doing things more and more what I enjoyed, and that is why I could over a period of time I could earn more and enjoy doing the things what I enjoy. Okay, so it's very, very important to ask yourself, what is that one thing we could do for 5 years without even getting paid? Okay, what would keep you going? What is that one thing? Okay, number 8, what deeply inspires and motivates you, which is very important. Why some of the people, they're not able to get up in the morning, or they're feeling very lazy, lethargic, they're not motivated because they're doing something which is not motivating them. Okay, it's not inspiring them to do these things. They're just doing it for the sake of surviving. Okay, get out of the survival mode and get into a striving mode where you want to achieve something greatness. So ask yourself, what are the things which deeply inspires you and motivates you in your life? Okay, you need to really know what are the things which you can do in your life. I feel every single person is gifted. Okay, every single person is gifted in one or the other talent. You need to identify that talent. You need to identify the special gift which will help you be always deeply inspired and motivated in your life. So ask yourself, what is that one or two things which keeps you motivated, something which you can do and which will inspire you and keep you motivated, because that will help you on a longer run. If you're doing something which is not motivating you, then that is not the right thing for you. Okay, number 9, if you had all the money and time in the world, what would you do? What would you spend it on? Okay, ask this question. So now you break all your limitations. Imagine you have all the money, all the time in the world. What are the things would you enjoy doing? What are the few of the things you would put your money and time on? Okay, by asking these questions, you're going to open up yourself to the things what you actually enjoy and what you actually love doing in your life. Okay, always do things which brings you happiness, which is very important. Maybe you're doing certain things right now because of the money and this financial situation. It's okay, but side by side, make sure you put efforts on things which you enjoy doing, because on the longer run it makes a huge difference on yourself. It's not like 10 years down the line you're mentally stressed, you're physically stressed, you don't have a good health, you're spending all your money in hospitals and all this stuff. It doesn't make sense, right? So it's very important to do things which makes you happy, and that is what will give you a complete wealth. You focus on wealth. Many people are focusing on money, but you need to focus on wealth. Wealth is a more powerful term. Okay, You need to have a proper wealth system in your life. Okay, that is number 9. Number 10, what do you want to wake up for? Like I said, what do you want to wake up for every day? Okay, what is that one thing which will, like, even at 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock in the morning, you are ready to get up and go do it? Okay, what is that one job or one business or one career or one profession which you will enjoy doing, which even anytime you will be able to get up from your sleep and go out there and give your 100%? Okay, so ask these questions, and these are a few of the things which I wanted to tell you guys. These 10 questions, ask these questions, write it in a piece of paper. If you got some value out of this video, then please like, share and subscribe, and also share it with all your friends. And also, if you let me know in the comment section what are the key learnings you took away from this video in few points, and share it in social media and tag me, and I'll give you a big shout out. Thank you so much guys for tuning into and staying till the end. I love you all. Take care.